the taste test. This is the popping cooking one. And we just skip the popping cooking thingy. So this is actually part 2, not part 1 or part all. So at all. So this is the taste test. Let's go and tell somebody to
What's the taste test? Mommy test.
Eat it. One only. Really eat. Can tune one. Hey. You eat it a little bit. How does it taste? Lemony and sweet.
What's that?
What you want to eat?
I don't want. So ugly.
Just eat it.
Why I should eat it? Please tell me a reason why I should eat.
Come on, this is a taste test.
So, how if I don't eat it? What are
I
you
will
going
put you
to
down.
do with me?
I will force you to stay with us.
Boy, so awful. It's like shit. Why I have to torture myself and swallow this thing? It's totally unswallowable.
Just eat it all.
The F.
What the F?
Okay, done.
Eat it.
Không cần đi vậy. Mua để họ ẩn
给他吃这个。
黏黏的东西。
咖喱糖啊 How it tastes? How it tastes?
Oh, that is. Thờ này hả? Nhìn tiếng.
Eat what? Eat this, the
Don't
small one.
Biết không?
全部人拿我的了呀，
什么
又拿他做的，弄这个大大的，
那头
哟，
不好吃。
OK，
OK，不好吃。
your turn. Now it's my turn. I'm going to taste my own ice cream. 好，哦，那我觉得好喝。So I'm gonna eat my strawberry. What color? What is that? Strawberry. So ugly, right? Up, berry. So I'm gonna eat it now. It's like an gummy. Yeah. It's sweet and soury. I know, but why it's so dark?
Let me know.
Me?
Let me know.
Bye guys. We are going to keep it on the freezer
Green tea.
for next week. So bye.
Yeah.